This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Karla Malone. Well-maintained townhome conveniently located on Mankato's Hilltop. Home features an open floor plan with a large kitchen that offers lots of cabinets and a breakfast bar, dining area, living room with gas fireplace, sunroom/office with patio doors to private backyard patio, master suite west/3/4 bath and walk-in closet, second bedroom and a full bath. Laundry room is located off the kitchen and the attached 2-stall garage enters directly into the kitchen. For more information, review the details below or contact Karla Malone at 507-340-7300.